Okay, since those two plugs from the other side is plugging into this, and this third plug, I decided to trim it down a little bit. I think I'm gonna trim this down a little bit too, uh, so that the wire would just reach the plug instead of being too long, just like this guy here. So that's what I'm doing for this third plug, which is to trim this so that it will just be long enough to reach the 3 prong plug. So you can see I trimmed this down so that this third plug, or the third light rather, that's at the corner will not have so much slag, as you can see here. And you can see this is the plug that I'm gonna drill through and through. But you can see here, this wire, I trimmed it down so that I'll be able to you know, fix it so that it's against the wall. And this wire, this plug, I'm going to unplug. I'm going to trim it down so that the wire will reach the plug here. So that's how much I'm going to trim it down. Here we go. So it's actually pretty easy. All I have to do is just back out this plug clip. Let me do that. So like I'm doing here. There you go. See that? That will and then get rid of this wire here. So now you can see all I have to do is I trimmed it down, so I'm just gonna plug this in, actually this way rather. Plug this in, and then, you know, this is the wide open, there's no middle, this is the middle, so this is the wide open. You push it to the back of this plug, and then you just push it in. Try to push it in all the way. Just, that's it. And then you can see this wire now connect to the plug perfectly with not as much slack line before, you know. And now I can fix the wires against the wall. Alright, so now this is was the actual wires trimmed, and now I'm just gonna try to there you go. Now that's against the wall. That's against the wall pretty well. Like that. So that's against the wall. So right now I'm just going to drill a big plug through here and then into the that cabinet down there, and then come out of the cabinet and then come out to this plug down there. So that's the plan. So that's what I'm doing here. So you can the light and go back to the middle light. Okay, and then to the first light into there with the wine rack. You can see there, wine rack. You know, that's the third light next to the wine rack. Okay, so there you have it. So I'm gonna drill a bigger hole through this so I can fit this big plug through. Okay. Okay, make sure you remove anything behind this. There you go, that's through. And you can see that's not big enough. So I'm gonna try to drill, you know. That's just this plug, you know. So I need to drill above, below, in order to get it through here. Okay, just to show you how I ended up doing with this switch here in the corner. Through here, the last light actually went in, the light switch went into here, and then down to here, and I had to cut this AC plug in here. I cut it so that I don't have to drill a big hole to loop this through. So, you know, one thing, if I were to do it again, I would just cut this 3-prong light plug just about halfway here. So the 3-prong will be here, connecting all 3 lights in here. But then because I cut it through, I cut this piece extension, the AC plug extension wire into 2 pieces. So all I have to drill is a smaller holes to fit the wires through. And then I use 2 terminal or wire connector screw to cap to tighten the plug. I'll show you from the inside in a few minutes. But basically, I drill a hole down here and then, you know, basically connected it to here. So this light switch is mounted permanently here, and I use the Gorilla tape to tape it here so that it will come around this granite countertop and then come down to here. So, you know, as you can see here, I just turn it off and turn it back on. It's pretty good and pretty nice. So let me show you. So you can see okay, so when we come inside, oh boy, it's too dark, isn't it? So I have this. Okay, so now you can see the wire went down there, and then you can see it can come out of from that hole to like the light switch, but then over here it actually went up from there, and then I also have the plug. You know, so that those blue color wire terminal caps are the ones I use to join the 2 wires together, and the black color is the Gorilla tape to tape the wire plugs in to the cabinet. Okay.